What's up guys, how you all doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm gonna show you 3 life hacks that you can do with your cell phone. Okay, if you guys like me have a cell phone with the case but doesn't have this special thing to make your phone stand so you can watch your movies or something, but you have a spare pair of glasses, and sunglasses will work too by the way, then within a second you can make an awesome phone stand. Just take your glasses, set them like this, and then put your phone on it. Now you can watch movies or whatever you want to do, or you can watch my videos on YouTube. Okay, let's do the same with sunglasses. I didn't find mine, so I'm gonna use my wife's. Okay, like this, and then set your phone on. There you go. That's pretty cool, I like it. Did you guys know that you can turn your cell phone into a microscope? All we need to do is put just a tiny drop of water, like this, on the lens. There you go. Okay, let's check it out. I'm gonna turn the phone like this really quick. Here's the camera. Now watch this. You see? You can see my fingerprints. Look at that. Isn't it awesome, huh? Let's check something else. Sponge. See here? This is so cool. Look at that. Now we made a microscope. That's cool. Let's check how needle will look like under our microscope. Here we go. Where is it? Oh, here. Look at that. Isn't it awesome? Check this out. Okay, the next life hack is really cool as well. My phone is waterproof even though I never tried it. But if your phone is not and you're afraid to drop it somewhere by the beach or maybe in the pool or maybe you're kayaking, there is a solution for that. You can use a baggie like this. So let's check it out. I'm gonna put my phone inside and it should fit. I know that. Okay, here we go. And then let's zip it up very tightly, like that. Should look like this. And guess what? This phone still works. Look at this. And I can scroll. I can still use my phone like nothing happened, except it's now protected. Isn't it cool? You can open applications. Let's see what weather is it today. Here we go. And it's actually pretty cold today. It's 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, there you go. Now your phone is protected. And if it accidentally falls into the water, you're not going to be worried about it now. Because you know it's protected with this baggie. Look at that. Still works. Well, I need to do my code here. Here we go. It's a little bit harder to flip pages now because it's wet, but it still works. Look at that. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Let me know what you think about these life hacks and I'll see you next time. And guess what? It actually works. Look at this. Man.